We're in the kitchen to talk about some popular healthy food trends you're going to probably hear about in 2020.
Registered dietitian Dana White is back. Welcome back to Explain Them. There's so much confusion out there.
There is. And there's this real undertone about like different types of beverages for 2020. But I have some other stuff to share with you too. So 2020, it's hot, real hot in nutrition right now. Okay. So the first one is very subtle, is the non-diet, the undiet. You're gonna see hashtags about this idea to stop going on these, terrible crash diets, to kick off the year that nobody ever sticks to. We're getting away from that.
Or like really restrictive ones.
Yes, because nobody ever sticks to them.
Right.
So this whole concept of the undiet is something that you're going to keep hearing about. Okay. So none of these are about diet. It's about kind of, health benefit superfoods. Okay. Meal prep still really hot right now, and we're finding all these really cool containers to help make meal prep easier.
Look, it even says meal prep on the container.
Right. So this is this is just an example from a company called Meal Prep on Fleek. They're very big on Instagram, and they've actually gone out and made their own kind of sectioned off containers.
So do you want round or do you want square?
It depends on what you like. And they have like measured, it'll say 1 cup or 2 cup, so you can keep track of your portions.
For snacks.
Like these one fits into my kids' lunch boxes.
Yeah, half cup, yeah. And you know what? It saves you from using all the plastic bags and things like that.
Absolutely.
It's just
right. So
nice
these are reusable, better for the environment, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, so you can use them for your meal prep.
Oh, great.
Because meal prep's not going anywhere.
All right.
Okay.
Good cook.
Next up, dry January. Have you heard about this before?
Yes,
We talked about it yesterday.
It was in the news yesterday. Millennials
I thought she was
are doing
talking about not showering for the whole month.
No. But so especially millennials are doing it not just to give their bodies a rest, but they realize how much money they're spending on alcohol.
And I think that's what I like about it. It's not just about giving up alcohol. And again, I'm not necessarily a proponent for it, but I think if some people that's making them, maybe change their mind, lower their caloric intake, save some money, find something just else to do with their time, I think that there's some good, and it's not a permanent thing, but it can help you improve your health and your wellness. And I think that's a good idea. What I have noticed though with people that give up alcohol is that they get bored really fast because then they feel left out at the party.
Right.
So there's been some fun products out there. So this is a soda, these artisanal sodas. These are from a company named Dry. There's a whole bunch of different companies out there that make things that you can maybe want to drink while you're hanging out at your dry January or while you're, socializing.
Even people won't bother you because it sort of looks like a cocktail.
Yes, I don't know. So this is a cranberry one. There's Fuji apple, there's lavender, there's all these different flavors.
That's
and
yummy.
They are sweetened with sugar, not artificial sweeteners, which I like, but they don't have a ton of sugar in them, so it's not like you're drinking like a traditional high sugar soda.
Okay, 11 grams for a serving.
They're really flavorful and light.
That's
I think
really
it's
good.
fun.
Yeah. So a little bit, if you don't like just plain seltzer water, you can up the notch this way. Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, CBD.
Yeah.
CBD is showing up in all these different beverages now. So I think, this is a latte, which I actually think is kind of fun. It's a chocolate peppermint latte that you can, has CBD in it. Now it's not regulated by the FDA, so we still need to be careful. It's prescribed for everything from anxiety to inflammation and all of these things. It does not have any THC in it. It will not make you high. But we are seeing CBD in all kinds of different products. So I don't know if you guys want to try the lattes or not, but they don't have a lot of flavor in them, but you're gonna see it in everything. Try it. It tastes like hot cocoa if you like peppermint.
No, it's good. I mean, and this has ashwagandha in it, which is also a root for stress management.
Right.
So as a dietitian, you think it's okay to drink stuff like with CBD in it?
As long as it's not, medications checked with your doctor and things like that, but it's a trend. It's not going anywhere. We're gonna see it added to all of our foods.
Tastes like cocoa.
Yeah. I mean, this is just an example of the places you're gonna see it.
All right, milks are very confusing, and oat milk is the new hot thing.
Hot new thing. And it kind of goes along with plant-based diets, which is another huge trend for 2020, okay? So oat milk. So now we're making milk out of oats. Have we tried it?
No.
Okay. So it's and we're seeing there's ice cream products with it.
Is this oat ice cream?
Yes, that is oat ice cream.
All right.
Okay. So I'm going to show you how to make your own because it's very expensive.
Oh.
Okay. So I thought it would just be fun to show you how easy it is to make your own.
Okay.
So we start with oats.
Just regular
obviously. So I use 1 cup oats to 3 cups water.
Okay.
Depending on how thick you want it, it's really up to you. Then you probably want to sweeten it, right? So I'm going to use a little bit of honey, and then if I show you right here, you can make some fun colors and flavors just using some frozen fruit, which I think is a nice natural way to sweeten it up. And really, to your taste. So I'm going to use some wild blueberries today. But you can use strawberries, raspberries, mango, whatever you have around, and you can make your own flavored oat milk.
Okay.
And it's literally all you do is blend it.
So this is kind of like a smoothie, except it's thinner?
Yes. So you can really make it as thick or as thin as you want, but I'm literally now just going to strain it, and that is what oat milk is.
That's what oat milk is.
Yep.
That's amazing.
So we're going to run out of time. I want to get this out there that if you are confused, like, do I have to drink coconut milk? Do I have to, and I shouldn't drink soy milk? You say we shouldn't worry about that.
You need to drink what you like. I think the rumors about soy milk are not true.
Okay.
It's the highest in protein. They all have something different to offer, so you kind of have to go with what you like.
That's good.
Looks good.
It's fun, right?
really
It definitely has that earthy oat note to it, you know, but it's another option in the plant-based milk
Thanks,
space.
Dana. For more nutrition tips and recipes, you can go to danawhitenutrition.com.